This is Alex Rowe here at Glasstec 2024 on behalf of Glass Online. I'm here now with Forel's Global Business Development Manager, Joe Hague. Joe, tell us something about Forel's activities and operations.
Well, first of all, welcome to the stand. Thank you for coming along. Forel is a mass producer of vertical equipment, automation for the flat glass industry. It is nearly 50 years old. We've been excited to present our latest level of innovation and technology here at Glasstec 2024. And I'm happy to take you through some of the key points of the live demonstrations that we have for our processing line, insulated glass line and seaming line.
Can you give us a little bit of information about the innovations that Forel is presenting here?
So a philosophy of the business is that if we're going to innovate something that is required by our customers, then it has to make a tangible difference. And so the innovative elements of technology, software or mechanics is something that is first requested by our customers and that we can deliver in a tangible, measurable way. So what we have on our insulated glass processing line this year, we've decided to bring our thermoplastic applicator to exhibit. There are some enhancements on the thermoplastic applicator itself, which gives greater accuracy over the thermal control of the product, positioning and accuracy. But moreover, our technique when dealing with thermoplastic spacer is to have a downstream buffer system, a production control module that allows us to condition the material so it gives us a better outcome when we're coupling the unit, pressing it together, running it through our sealing robot and then offloading it. And in certain circumstances, when you're extruding a material thickness and height at a far smaller level, you can have some very substantial product savings too. An option on an option, unfortunately, if that is a thing, we've introduced this year, we've unveiled at the show this year, a piece of technology that allows us to extrude thermoplastic at plus 20 millimeters. Now, due to the idiosyncrasies of the material, when you extrude thermoplastic plus 20 millimeters, gravity and the natural effect of gravity on the material means that it will run out of alignment. So when we condition the material, effectively cooling it down and allow it to become a little firmer, we can then subsequently reposition the material geometrically perpendicular to the glass face, moving it back into the correct alignment, straight into the coupling press. It enhances coupling and obviously guarantees gas fill percentage.
Very interesting. Okay, and how has 2024 been for Forel?
For Forel, the organisation, it's been a very good year. We've seen increased growth in our business. That's been highly assisted by the opening of our extension facility, 9,000 square meters of production floor space that we've added to our headquarters in Valeo di Roncade in Treviso, and that's allowed us to make operational gains in manufacturing and production, which is all geared towards delivering to our customers the product that they want and require in a timely fashion.
Very good. And for 2025, what are Forel's expectations?
I think there's a lot of things that we have an expectation about. Obviously, the industry is facing greater demands on, especially in the sealed unit world, greater demands on automation, efficiencies that are built into the automation, but also the technical specification of the product that automation produces. So we're now looking at moving our equipment into triple glazed products with ultra thin glass and thin glass. Ultra thin glass being defined as 0.5 or 0.75 millimeters, and thin glass 1 millimeter and above. Producing a triple glazed unit in that configuration delivers a solution to window manufacturers who have been concerned about the increased size dimension and weight dimension of a standard triple glazed unit. With this product range, and some of our colleagues across the aisle are manufacturing that product too, it actually addresses the concerns of weight and size dimension that is an obvious concern of window producers.
Very interesting. It sounds as though it's going to be a very interesting year, 2025, for your company. Okay, thanks for your time, Joe.
Thank you, Alex. It's a pleasure to have you on the stand. You're more than welcome to come back at any time.
Thank you very much.